Okay, here we go. This is 7 Up. We've pretty much done everything we were going to do. Now I've checked the suspension and the brakes. We bled the brakes. Got a nice hard pedal. But I couldn't find a reason for the pedal going flat. So I'm thinking over the winter the master started to die. But it seems like when it's in use it's fine. So we're going to monitor that, and I'm going to order a master cylinder for later. Meantime, we gave the car a quick soap and water wash and a real fast vacuum. Now, what I'm going to do at the end of below in the comments is put the links to the TR7 Evaluation and the link to maintaining the fleet. That'll show you exactly what I've done in checking the suspension and bits and pieces and stuff like that, rather than repeat it. But hey, we've got a real good looking old car again. She runs like a top, and we're going to show you that shortly. And from any angle, she's a pretty good looking piece. As you can see, the car's looking good. We did tidy a couple things up in the interior just to make it livable. So we gave it a quick vacuum but didn't make an exercise of it. But we've glued back up some of the fleece that had let go. So it's all nicely back in place. The balance of the car, it's in pretty good shape. Now I haven't polished it, I haven't waxed it, I haven't done anything like that. She's got some paint chips and stuff, and I'm debating, you know, I might catch them as I go along. But you have to remember, this fall we're going to start tearing her all apart again. I just want to have some fun for the summer and set baselines for performance so we can measure the changes that we make. There's no point in modifying if you don't know if you're getting the results that you want. So over the summer we'll be redoing parts from the parts car. We're going to be ordering parts, and we want to take this up to a more modern level, make it work, and keep up with the modern small sports cars like the Miatas. Now, interior is actually still in really good shape, except the seats. Seats still have the seat covers on them because we'll be sending them out in the fall to get recovered. We've put back some of the pieces that had torn loose, contact cemented them back in place. So overall, she's a pretty cool looking little car. Now, as I said, I'm going to put the links in back to the original TR7 restoration, which is about 5 years ago now, maybe 6, before I started the YouTube channel and learned how to do it. But we're pretty much there. So now it's time to see how she goes. Okay guys, we're out at our test track. We're about to do a couple laps so you can see how the car goes, and it tells me what the car is doing as well. So I'm about to crawl in and go, and we'll get you some footage. Be right back.
I can't see him.
Okay, you had the chance to see it from the outside. Now you get the chance to see it from the inside, thanks to our handy dandy cameraman. Now the idea of the test track is to give us a way to check the performance of the vehicle, make sure everything works, and set some baselines for when we start making modifications. Now, we've done some shots from the Cobalt. I can honestly tell you this thing's way more controllable and way quicker, and it slides better, but that's probably because of the big tires.
Close one.
Okay, well thanks a lot for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you soon when we start the next segments on the next projects. So take care from Rebuilds, and thanks for joining us for 7 Up the Awakening. Pretty little thing, isn't she?